Hello, I'm in a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, you'll go from the driver's side, look for this release valve, a release lever. That pop was the safety being released. And so you can see what the back side looks like of this. There's like kind of a cable here that's attached with some tension. If it's not attached for some reason, you need to find it and get it tightened and reattached to that lever so it'll work. And now that that's released, usually right around the middle there's a lever. So there's a lever we'll push and pull up. So there's part of the hook that this was on. That's what I pushed over. If this isn't working, maybe your hood's out of alignment or this part is, so you need to get those straightened out. You need debris cleaned up, maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. But that's it. Hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.